Okay, so now we're going to talk about the area of a sector of a circle. So say you have, your quadrant system, and there's a circle, and then you've got this angle subtending that circle. Then there's this little wedge piece right here. That is a sector of the circle. Oops, sector. So it's kind of like a piece of pie or pizza. It's not a triangle because it's got that curved side. I mean, it looks kind of like a triangle, but it's a piece of a circle. Picture a pie and you're cutting it into wedges, and then one wedge would be a sector. Okay? Well, the area of a sector is equal to 1/2 theta r squared. So kind of similar to the area of a triangle if you think about that. Theta has to be measured in radians again. Okay? All right, so that's the formula, and that's what a sector is. So we have an automatic lawn sprinkler. So here's a little sprinkler thing, and it's spitting out water. It sprays a distance of 20 feet. Okay, so it's spraying out 20 feet. And then it's rotating 30 degrees. So it's going over 30 degrees. Whoops. And it's still like, spraying. That's too big for 30 degrees, but it's still spraying, the water, right? Okay, so we're trying to figure out, so it's in a circular pattern, it's rotating. That line of water spray is rotating around. We're trying to figure out then the area of that grassy lawn that the sprinkler is covering. Okay, so let's read it again. An automatic lawn sprinkler sprays a distance of 20 feet while rotating 30 degrees. What is the area of the sector of grass the sprinkler waters? Okay, so again, my angle here is 30 degrees. But in order for me to use the area of a sector formula, I have to get theta in terms of radians. So I need to convert 30 to radians, 30 degrees to radians. Okay, so remember, I want to get rid of the degrees, so multiply, you're going to put the degrees in the denominator and put pi up here, okay? And then 30 goes into 186 times, so it's pi over 6. You might have remembered that one from previous work, but that's going to be then our theta. Okay, so the area of the sector is going to be 1/2 theta, which is pi over 6. And then the radius, we know the radius, it's 20 feet. So it's going to be 20 squared. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get a decimal approximation for this. There's a couple ways you could do it, but I'm just going to go, let me turn on my calculator. I'm going to use my pi button, then I'm going to multiply by 20 squared, and then I'm going to divide by, 2 times 6 is 12, so I'll just divide by 12. And I'm getting approximately 104.72, and this is going to be a square measurement because it's area and it's feet, so it's going to be square feet. They can write square feet like that, or they might write square feet like that. So, whatever your preference is.